Hello guys, welcome to Urus Auto channel. This is another day on my vlog, which I arrived at the Independent Monument. Yeah, today we're going to find 10 best super luxury SUV at the Independent Monument. So wish me the best of luck guys, enjoy the video and subscribe to my channel. Peace. Wow guys, over there is the first ultra luxury SUV. This is the Land Cruiser GR Sport. It is great for on-road and great for off-road guys. Nice. Beautiful. Wow guys, this is the fourth great ultra luxury SUV. This is the BMW X7 guys. Wow. Nice. Another Land Cruiser. Wow guys, another performance, top 10 best performance SUV, which is the Lamborghini Urus. Wow. I consider it a super SUV guys. Unbelievably amazing. Such incredible spots. Wow guys, a gorgeous best ultra luxury, wild luxury SUV is coming back. The Lamborghini Urus guys. Wow. Amazing guys. Look at that beauty. Element super SUV guys. Nice. Wow guys, another great ultra luxury SUV. Amazing. Amazing guys. Wow, a nice VX bi-turbo. G-Class guys. G-Class guys. I believe to be the G500. Wow guys. Over there one of the 10 best wild luxury SUV. The Mercedes Maybach GLS 600 guys. Wow. Amazing guys. Another great wild luxury SUV guys. Toyota Land Cruiser ZX. Wow, nice. Over there another gorgeous ultra luxury SUV guys. Alex 100 Turbo Sport. Over there another great SUV. Mazda EZ60 guys, fully electric, comfortable one. Little bit 2026 model guys. Beautiful. The new 2026 Mazda EZ60 guys. Nice. Wow. Wow. Over there another one. Alex 100 guys. 2026 model. This is number 7, best SUV. Number 8, another great SUV, great for on-road and off-road. Jeep Rubicon Wrangler guys. Wow, nice. Wow, gorgeous new Range Rover guys. Beautiful. One of the top 10 best ultra luxury SUV in March. Wow. Wow guys, another best SUV guys. Xiaomi U7 Max, fully electric Xiaomi, and it looks like a Ferrari pure Zangway guys. Wow, an amazing fully electric SUV guys. One of the best top 10 SUV over there, the Defender 130 guys. Wow. Amazing long wheelbase of the Defender 110. Beautiful. Wow, there's a gorgeous Defender 110 guys. Gorgeous black color. Wow, nice. Here's an Hummer H2. Sound really amazing. Nice, some old classics Over there, some new Lexus RX 330. Nice. Some BYD C Line 6. Beautiful. Over there, nice Jaguar SUV, guys. Jaguar Pace.